Hello, welcome back to CompXM CompXM 2023. After you played CompXM Capstone 8 rounds, you have the individual exams. This is a detailed guide and tip for you so you can win CompXM in a few hours. Note that this guideline, so you will get the top result, but do not copy the numbers. The numbers may be different from student to student, so you need to look at it to know how we can do it, and you can apply with the number from your game, get from industry condition report, right? This is a quite different strategy. We use 6 products only and then still get the top result. Some videos I use 8 products, but now we can use 6 products. You can still win the top result. We add 2 new products in Nano and Elite from round 1, so we win double the sales and profit in this segment from round 2, 3, and 4, and lead the game with top sale and profit. And for round 2, on the screen you just see we update IND of the product based on the industry condition report. So again, industry condition report is very important. You need to look at it to use the number for your game. You can also download the free Excel file to update IND and marketing and production for all the 4 rounds. So we update the price by reduce 50 cents each round to maintain the top competitive of the price, and also we use around 2,000 for promotion and sales from round 2 to get the best result. For the new product we can use 1,000 for promotion and sales. In this round and this round we increase that to 2,000. And now we need to calculate the sale focus. We use a number of unit we sold from last round multiple by the segment growth from 11% or to 18%, depends on each segment. You find the number from career report and use the Excel file to calculate that faster. And for sale forecast, so we can add about 10% or 5% each round to have some inventory, to keep some inventory to avoid being stocked out. For the new production, we can use half the estimate for the existing product of Nano and Elite, or you can use the same. It's okay. Because we add 2 new products in Nano and Elite. In the other videos you can see that we add 4 videos. In both strategies we can still always win the top sale and profit. And now we input the number for the season production schedule. We also remember to put the production for the 2 new products and own the 4 existing products, because we can start the production of all the 6 products including 2 new products from round 2. We can increase automation of trips to 8 and core to 7, and the other we can increase to 5. And also remember to add the new capacities for the needed product balance with keep track of our total budget for production investment, right? So we can use capacities for all the 6 products now to maintain 100% of 150% of production capacities. That is the most cost effective. And you see that we add new capacities for on the 6 products and also increase automation and still have enough budget for update production. And we check it again. If you need the personal support, you can send the emails, or you need to understand the details of all the decision, you can arrange 1 hour for Zoom session, right? For Zoom session, you can find the details, more details, guidelines from the blogs. For stock issue, for HR we use 5,080 hours. For finance, we still use max stock issues and on short-term loans and long-term loans to avoid any kinds of emergency loan. We keep around 50,000 here for reserve of cash. And for total quality management TQM, we apply 1,000 for all the 10 for each of the 10 initiatives. So we use total of 10,000 and total of 4,000 for each TQM initiative for each round. You see that we will get the top sales and very high contribution margin of 40% and on a very high profit of close to 10% from round 2. To get the top result, you see on the screen the top result of round 2. We get the top sale, also very high profit, top profit also, and also increasing. We will increase the stock price to the top in later 2 rounds. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. If you need the support, you can send emails. If you need to understand on the decision of each round, you can send either arrange a 1 hour for Zoom session. Again, thank you. Good luck and success.